Hello, my darling. I thought it was about time that we would revise our booty jiggle. I think that this is the move that I get asked about the most. I feel like everyone wants to be able to do this, and lucky for you, today we are going into it. I have a few older tutorials on this as well, and obviously you can watch them all to make sure that you get all the juicy information. But let's start from the start. Hold on to a wall. Hold on to something, because I want to prevent from you doing this. Most people who start with this moves will be shimmying all over the top. So make sure to hold on to something. You can lean into the wall just a little bit. Do not lean like this, so all the way into a diagonal, but lean like this. So you rotate your pelvis to make sure that your booty is a little bit sticked out, your lower back is a little bit hollow, and then you hold on to the wall or to whatever you're holding on to. Then what we do is you can place for a second, make sure that you know where your hip bones are. You can locate them with your fingers, place your hands back. Then what you're gonna do is you're going to rotate one hip forward and then the other one. So focus on that hip bone and rotate it forward. What you'll also see happening is when you rotate to the side or to the front with your hip bone, your hip will go to the side a little bit. Butts, big butt. Do not, no pun intended, do not rotate like this. Wing, 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 wing. Rotate like this. So keep your knees straight and focus on those hip bones going to the front one by one. Once you feel like you've got that movement, go back to your wall, hold on to it, or you're still holding on to it. Make sure that your knees are stretched, then you lean in, then you go a little bit faster. And what you can start to do is, I'll show it from behind as well. What you can start to do is give a little bit of an accent. Like you're trying to scoot something out of the way. Pop, 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 pop. Once you feel comfortable doing that, you can speed it up. The movement will become smaller, so we started off like this, ta, 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 ta. And then when you speed it up, it's gonna be ta, 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 ta. So you won't completely rotate your hip to the front, but you will just make tiny movements to then see your ass jiggle together with a little part of your upper legs, because most of the time, those will jiggle as well. I have not really seen people isolate the movement that well, and I don't think it's necessary because it looks cute if everything, jiggles. Yes, I hope that helped. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more tips on how to jiggle, and I'll see you next time. Bye.